Let's explore the process of security assessment and infrastructure analysis. The initial phase involves conducting access control evaluation and infrastructure mapping. This process includes analyzing the deployment of tools, software solutions, and devices, as well as evaluating the overall security posture. When we examine the technical assessment phase, it includes systematic interaction with systems to gather essential information. The process involves conducting port scanning and vulnerability assessments. Through these technical evaluations, security professionals can identify several critical factors: open network ports, operating system configurations, service versions in use, and implemented security policies. Additionally, this phase reveals firewall configurations and potential configuration gaps. It's important to note that active technical assessment typically triggers security monitoring systems, provided such controls are in place. The assessment findings help organizations understand their security controls' effectiveness and response capabilities. Following the assessment phase, the analysis moves to understanding potential security implications. This involves examining delivery mechanisms and analyzing how different types of payloads might interact with the system. The process includes identifying or developing test cases that demonstrate the impact of identified vulnerabilities. A practical example would be testing system responses to various inputs, including testing for proper handling of unexpected data. The technical assessment phase includes analyzing various potential system interaction vectors. This process involves examining several established delivery mechanisms that malicious actors frequently employ. When considering system security, it's critical to understand potential attack vectors. These can include compromised network endpoints, such as systems within botnets, which can be accessed through unauthorized rental services. Additionally, security professionals need to be aware of file-based attack vectors, including manipulated document files, media files, and applications. From a security perspective, email-based attacks remain significant. This includes analyzing phishing campaign infrastructures, such as prepared servers and specialized landing pages. The infrastructure assessment also covers examining compromised systems that may house unauthorized software. Security professionals should also understand more sophisticated attack methodologies. These include analyzing custom malicious software development and previously unknown vulnerability exploitation. Physical security considerations include examining scenarios involving unauthorized hardware deployment, such as small form-factor computers or storage devices in accessible locations. The preparation phase of security testing focuses on understanding these various methodologies. Following this, the analysis moves to examining delivery mechanisms, specifically how unauthorized access attempts might reach their intended targets.